3 more illegal guns off the streets of St. James.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
3 firearms and a quantity of ammunition was seized by a joint police-military team during an operation in Salt Spring, St. James on Wednesday morning, February 9. The police said that one man, who has since been identified as Tevin Stewart, otherwise called Pete, believed to be a top-tier member of the G-City gang, was fatally shot during the confrontation with the security forces. 2 9mm pistols fitted with magazines were seized in that incident. As the joint police-military team intensified operations in the area, cops later found one M16 rifle with a magazine containing 65.56 rounds of ammunition. Meanwhile, another joint police-military team seized a large quantity of marijuana in Helsha St. Catherine during a targeted operation on Tuesday, February 8.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!